One more update. This is the backyard. I removed the screen on the window so that it wouldn't distort the view. You can see there's a good probably 3 to 4 inches of snow out here. Heavy wet snow. You can see the branches on the trees are bending down. We've already had a few more power interruptions. It's back on. I have a feeling it's going to be off for good here shortly. You can see all the leaves out here that have come down. Whoops. Knocked over my cup. This is looking out my kitchen window into the backyard. It's unreal. I can't believe this. October 29th. Crazy weather. Anyway, I'll try to keep more updates. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to upload with the power problems, so stay tuned. Thanks for looking.